Spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. Om. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तःप्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारत पङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः सुन्वन्ति यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Bhagavad Gita session. We are in chapter 9. The Raja with Raja Good Health. We are hearing some mesmerizing verses. And we have reached verse number 24 last week. Tonight we are going to see 25th verse onwards. About the Yajna Karmas, Lord was saying that He is only the Bhokta and Prabhu of all the Yajnas that is happening. And who doesn't know me by Tattva in essence, Chiyavanti, they have a fallback. So to understand with the Tattva, is what is important. What is the yajna is important. How are we doing our actions is important. So the next verse is telling that uh, how which type of yajna yields what type of benefit. So we are going to see that angle now. Radha Krishnanji, we'll start from you, verse number 25. Yanti devavrata devan
यान्ति देवव्रता देवान्
पितॄन्यान्ति पितृव्रताः
पितॄन्यान्ति पितृव्रताः
भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्याः
भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्याः
यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम्
यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम् यान्ति देवव्रता देवान् पितॄन्यान्ति पितृव्रताः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्याः यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम्
Vrataः. So let's do the padacheda. Santi vicheda.
Yanti, Devapradaha, that's
Is that
Visargal Loka.
loka? Yes.
Devan as it is Pitra Nyanti. Pitra
As
plus
it is.
Yanti. It's a combined.
Yes.
Pitra Yanti.
Pitrun plus yanti. Hmm.
Yanti. Combined.
Hmm.
Pitra Vradaha is nothing. Bhudani Yanti. Okay. Bhudejyaha is Visargalopaha here. Yeah?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Yanti as it is. Madhyajinopi mam. Mad yajinaha. So that is just santi there. Just santi.
Hmm.
Mam abhi. Mam abhi is ma abhi. There is visarga plus purvarupa. Purvarupa.
Madhyajan.
Yeah.
Jinaha plus api. Good.
Yeah.
So now let us see the Shabda Artha. Shabda Cheda is over. Padacheda. Yanti. Yanti is to go. Deva Vrataha. Those who are Deva Vrata, doing Vrata for the Devas, worshippers of the Devas, Devan. Which Vibhakti?
Devha devo pratama. Devha devo devaha. Devam devo devan. So tridiya bahuvachan. Sorry, Dvidiya
Dvitiya.
Bahuvachan. Dvidiya Bahuvachan.
Dvitiya. Two.
Yeah.
Two Devas. Those who are worshipping the Devas will go to Devas. Devavrataha Devan Yanti. Devavrataha, those who are worshipping the Devas, Devan, to the Devas they will go. Yanti, plural. Pitruvrataha, Pitrun Yanti, same. Those who are worshippers of the Pitrus, they will go to Pitrus. Bhutejyaha means those who are doing Ijya. Ijya is the Yajna. Those who are worshipping the Bhutas, Bhutani Yanti. They go to Bhutas. What are Bhutas? We will see that. But Mad Yajinaha, those who are worshippers of me, those who are performing the Yajna to me, Mam Yanti. We say in English, no, as you means how is your heart and mind? That's the way you see the world. What glasses you are wearing, that color world you are seeing. Red glass you wear, you will see the red color. So to what you are worshipping, that only you will get. If we keep on worshipping Lakshmi Ma, what are we aiming? Aishwarya. If you are worshipping Saraswati Ma, what are we aiming for? Buddhi, Vidya.
Buddhi.
Vidya. Correct. So which type of Lord? So over here, it is beyond what we understand as just a Shiva or Lakshmi or Saraswati. Over here, our Indriyas means one devatas. Karna has one Dig Devata, Hasta has Indra Devata. So devatas represent our Indriyas. Panchanyandriyas, Panchakarmendriya, moon is residing over our mind. So devas are actually our Indriyas. They give us the information from the outside world to the inside, to us, make us understand, and then they act accordingly. There is fire, my eyes brought the news to my mind, and my mind told to my leg, run. Eyes brought the news, there is a sarpa, heart starts pounding, fear starts. So, Indriyas bring us the information from the outside world. This is salty, this is sweet, it is hot, it is cold. What is outside world? How do we know? We know through only Indriyas. So devatas are our Indriyas. We are worshipping, that means only limited thing. Same thing goes for the Pitrus and same thing goes for the Bhutas. Bhutas means what? Not the Bhuta Yoni like what we think of Bhutas. Worldly things. Bhutas. Worldly things. I want this knowledge. Probably I'm best doctor, I'm best architect, I'm best engineer, I'm best gardener, I'm whatever we seek, whichever vidya, whichever profession, it's limited only to the finite world. It's not limited to the infinite. So if we are seeking only up till the Devata worlds of different kind, we will get only that much only. But the Lord is saying, and those who are seeking me will get me. Those who seek infinite will get infinite. So this verse talks about the limitation and infinite. Because that's the previous verse. No? When our punya is finishing, we are coming back. To whichever deva we perceive, we get accrued with whatever yajna we do in the name of whichever devas, and they bless us with so much punya, we acquire heaven, means we acquire better realm in life. But after that chine punya, after the punya stock is over, where we'll come and stay? Martya loka only we will come. So any deva, any vratas, any yajnas, whatever we are doing, we are basically seeking only limited thing. Even to go to Swarga is a limited thing. It is not a perfect thing. You will feel happy, you will get comfort, you will get everything. Aging is not there. But how long? Diseases are not there. Apsaras will serve you. Everything is there. Everything fantastic only. But again, that is limited. When the punya is finishing, it is over. So, Madhyajinaha, the one who is doing yajna on me, that means one who is on the infinite, they will get me. Bhagavan is saying about that. It is not with me as a bodily form, that Krishna. It's that Supreme Brahman. One who go and chase the whatever they get, that only, right? They become like that. If you keep on thinking of one particular hero, you become eventually like that. You start behaving. Then, this one is thinking, his father is his hero. He's doing like everything like his father only. Mother is his hero. So everything now he's copying his mother only. Yeah, we say that so much that kids, especially if they have somebody in mind and they keep on seeing that person and they keep on thinking, they become that or like that. So we heard, if we keep on continuously thinking of the highest truth and not worry about all the other things, then we will become that. Because Lord is only saying that they will reach me. Madhyajinaha yantima. My worshippers will reach to me. And there are those 4 types which we know: Samipya way or Sarupya way. So Salokya way. It depends upon with what bhav we are worshiping. There also we have got 4 types of freedom. So this tells about the finite and the limited worship. Yanti devavrata devan pitrin yanti pitravrataha bhutani yanti bhutejyaha yanti madhyajinopi mam. Lalita. Patram pushpam phalam toyam
पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं
यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति
यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति
तदहं भक्त्युपहृतम्
तदहं भक्त्युपहृतम्
अश्नामि अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः
अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्त्युपहृतम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः
विद्वा अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः.
अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः.
Let's do the padacheda.
Okay. Patram pushpam bhavantu bhaktya. It is Tritiya ekvachan.
Yeah, but before that, yo
Me.
Yo is yaha.
Okay.
Visarga sandhi.
Okay, Visarga sandhi.
So yo means yaha. Me bhaktya prayachati. Okay, all as it is. Tadaham.
Tadaham. Tat aham.
What sandhi we will call?
Huh?
What sandhi we will call? Tadaham.
Savarna sandhi.
No.
Tadaham.
No. So ta has become the.
No. Ta has become the.
Radha Krishnanji. Ta becomes the in which sandhi?
Tat aham.
Third varna happens.
Varna sandhi.
The is a third alpha. The. Third varna happens in which sandhi? Jashatwali, right?
I don't know.
Jashatwali.
Jashtva, okay.
Bhakti upahritam.
It is a samasa.
No, bhakti upahritam. It is samasa, but also that year as bhakti upahritam has happened.
Yana sandhi.
Yan has happened into it. Bhakti upahritam.
Ashnami
Asnami as it is. Prayatatmana as it is.
as
Okay.
it is.
So let's see the padartha. Here two main points come. What is it? That you have to offer it to the Lord. One is with bhakti, bhaktya. And bhaktya prayachati and prayatatmana. With not just only bhav of bhakti, but the person is also very pure. So there are two criterias. That Lord doesn't need chappan bhog nevedyam always. Lord doesn't need your lot of money and donation, how much you give or show off. And then you get your name also on a big flex and put it in front of temple. Anything you give, patram, one leaf, pushpam, one flower, toyam, even little water if you offer also it's fine. but let it be with bhakti, with devotion. And mind should be pure, not vicious. That because I have to get this from the Lord, let me do this. There's no transaction or a business. For the sake of Lord, for the love of Lord, with purity, prayatatmana. If you give me anything, even simple water, that aham bhakti uparatam, what you have done, offered with devotion, asnami, Lord is saying, I accept that, I eat that. So the thing is, bhav is necessary and love for the Lord is necessary. Then what you offer is immaterial. So sometimes we think, no, my prasad is the best one. I had offered so much. Who cares? Lord is not caring. Maybe people around the president of that ashram or the panditji, or they might see what you have brought. And they will evaluate you how much, if they at all like that, if they are. But otherwise, between you and Lord, Lord is not ready only to see how much you have offered. Lord is ready to see only how you have offered. So may all of us have that bhakti that even our studies can be offering to our Lord. Holding Gita and chanting a verse can be offering to Lord for the sake of the Lord. So it is that simple. In the previous verse, when he says that Madhyajina Yanti Ma, means like this: with bhakti, who is offering him to what the yajna performed for the Lord is enough for Lord. Lord accepts that. So we don't have to do much. So let us have that bhakti and let our hearts be purer. Whatever the dirts in our heart is there, may we cleanse it by chanting Lord's name, because Kirtan is the only way, Nama is the only way forward in Kali Yuga. More you do your Nama Japa, better cleansing will happen. Very easy, not to do anything much. We don't have to stand on one leg. We don't have to go to Himalayas. We don't have to do anything. From where we are, if we hold our Japamala and offer it to the Lord, it's enough cleanse happening. And then with that bhakti we offer, even mentally if we offer, not even physically, Lord accepts that. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhaktyupahitam ashnami prayatatmanaha.
Actually, can I ask a doubt? Is
Ji,
Prayadatmanaha, what vibhakti is it? Is it Panchami?
it is Prathama only. Nakara it is. Atman Shabdas.
So it's because it's also Panchami and Shashti as well, isn't it? Atmanaha. Here,
Well, I'll
I
tell you
think the book
exactly.
is by the pure minded is written here.
I'll tell
Mm.
you. Just give me a minute. Mhm. I've left my. So I'll tell you right now. Let's clear this. Just take what's it.
Shashti
Hmm.
of the pure minded.
Hmm. Prayataha Atma Yasya Saha. That is the thing, vigraha of it. He is whose mind is disciplined, pure, purified. Prayataha atma yasya saha prayatatmanaha. So of the pure-minded person, Shashti.
Atma. So is it a Bahuvrihi Samasa or something? Is it?
Shashti.
Srashti?
Ekvachan.
Oh, okay.
Shashti ekvachan.
Srashti. Yeah, that looks more.
Yeah, Shashti ekvachan. Nice
Yeah,
question.
thanks.
Thank you.
Because it is written by the pure minded, so that is I didn't understand. Megatma.
Shashti. Of the pure-minded, yeah.
Thank you.
And that's Adaham Jashatva Sandhi. Tat Aham, the is becoming, that's a Jashatva Sandhi.
Yeah.
So two things where we had paused today. Good. Let's go, Sunita ji, with the 27th verse. Today Arunji didn't join, right? 27. Yattaroshi yadashnasi.
Yatakaro
Yata I should not say yat. Ha.
yat yatkaroshi yadasnashi
Yajjuhoshi dadasi yat.
No, Lalitama, you can mute yourself.
Oh, sorry.
Yat karoshi yadashna si sakara and not shakara.
okay yatkaroshi yadasnasi
Yad juhoshi dadasi yat
yatjuhoshi dadasi yat
yat tapasyasi kaunteya
yattapasyasi kaunteya
tat kurushva madarpanam.
tatkurushva madarpanam यत्करोषि यदस्नासि यच्जुहोषि ददासि यत्तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व मदर्पणम्.
Good. Only thing, whenever the swara is hasva endings, not to pause over there, otherwise it will become dirgha. Yajjuhoshi, so fast we have to say. Dadasi, ashnasi, we have to keep all those rasvas. Okay, let's go ahead and do the padacheda.
यत् यत् प्लस करोषि
Yes,
यत् प्लस अशनासि
correct.
यत् प्लस जुहोषि जशत्व
Yes.
संधि it is.
All are jashatvas, yes.
Okay, all are just okay.
Hmm.
And then yat
Dadasi, yat is as it is. Yat tapasyasi, there is no sandhi. It's like yat karoshi, it's like that only. Yat tapasyasi. Kaunteya
Kaunteya as
sambodhan.
it is.
Yes.
And
Tat
tat kurushva.
As it
Tat
is.
kurushva. Yeah. And
Madarpanam.
madarpanam mad plus arpanam. It is also jashatva, no?
Yes, we can say jasatva. Yes. But we don't open it, but doesn't matter. So now.
Is Ejjuhoshi, is it not Stutva Sandhi? Yat Juhoshi.
Becomes chutva. Yes.
Stutva, isn't it?
Chutva sandhi, yeah.
Stutva, yeah. Ta is replaced
Because
by
ja,
ja.
ja, so chutva sandhi, yeah. First is jashatva, second is chutva.
Yeah.
Now we see the meaning. Yat karoshi. So whatever you do, madhyama purush it is. Madhyama purush. You. It means you. Yat ashnasi. Whatever you eat. Yat juhoshi, whatever you offer, yajna. Yat dadasi, whatever you give. Yat tapasyasi, whatever tapa you do, whatever meditation, whatever your austerities, whatever you follow. O Kaunteya, Sambodhan, Tat, that, Mat Arpanam Kurusva, you may offer it to me. You do that as offering to me. Means what? Every action from morning till night, whatever we do, we should bring Lord in between. It's not for me anymore. Lord, I do this for you. Lord, I do this for you. So each time in every action, if we are bringing Lord, over a period of time, we will not know how our bhakti has solidified, and that devotion is melting that Lord. Previous verse is Bhakti Uparatamashna. In the process, we are not realizing we are dissolving our aham bhava. Right now, I want such a house. I want this food to eat. I want this clothes to wear. I want this perfume. I want this ornament. I want my house furniture like this. I want this vehicle. I want this for my son. I want this for my grandson. So my actions are me and my relations are for me. Everything I am doing for me. In Brihadaranyaka, you remember that verse? One big paragraph comes. Suddenly it came and it slipped my mind. That everything what you are doing is for Atmanam. It came and it went again. In Brihadaranyaka, that particular verse is there. You love your husband for your sake. You love your child for your sake. We think, no, that I love, but it is self-love. It's coming and it's going. Spark.
Written down somewhere. Hehova Jaya. Nava are pratyuh kamaya padipriyo.
Bhavati Atmaiva
Bhavatya
Kamaya.
manastu kamaya padipriyo.
Yes.
Bhavati nava.
Atmanastu
Jaya.
Kama. Yes. Atmanastu Kamaya. So Jaya Priyam
Atmanastu kamaya.
Bhavati,
Yeah.
Patni Priyam
Got it
Bhavati,
written
Putra.
down here.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. So high, so handy that is. So in Brihadaranyaka it is said, our Upanishad is saying that we think, but actually it is selfish thing. It's not that for a son's love we are loving the son. Selfish bhav is there. That's why we are loving it for ourselves only. And then it gives such big paragraph. Please go and dig your Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, and then it comes in then Atmanastu Kamaya Sarvam Priyam Bhavati. For your own self only everything is Priyam for you. So we say mother's love is selfless, this is selfless, that is selfless. Dig it in, dig it in, dig it in. It will be so tough that it is that self-love and not for anybody else. So in this, what is happening, if we are bringing Lord, that attitude of us is going to get purified. Otherwise, everything is for me only. I like that. Our whole action is to make us comfortable, happy. Our relationship, we make what is, from whom we are benefiting over there, we make our relationship. Who doesn't overpower us over there, we make a relationship. It is our comfort, we see. Our eating is my like and dislike. According to that, I behave. There is no purification over there. But over here, if we bring the Lord in that same actions we are doing, but now it is not for me. Now I'm offering it to the Lord. Lord, I'm offering this to you. Are you happy with this? If I eat this pani puri, we may not mean initially. but later on it will turn us in. Then what we choose to offer for the Lord will be what Lord will like and not what I would like. I remember as a 8-year or 9-year-old, when I had gifted one handbag for my mama on her birthday. I selected in a way which I can use it later. So it was not like you give away. There is that you want it again back. So what I would like, and later on I can carry something cute, what I would like to use. But I'm giving it to her, right? So it should be what she would like. But that in that giving way also there will be something. So here it is like completely we will become of Lord. Initially we would do what we would like. But then as we keep on repeating it, and when our aham bhava goes down, mama bhava goes down, automatically what Lord will like we will. Then our circle will change. Our food eating habit will change. Our lifestyle will change. Because now we are not doing it for us. Now we are doing it for the Lord. The bhakti, then we don't know when the shift happens because then Lord takes it all. So at the first level, he's saying, whatever you are doing now, tat kurushva madarpana. So let us bring the Lord in every of our action from morning to night. Even our while sleeping, pray for the Lord that for your sake I am resting. Hope you get happy with it. Because Lord is the indweller over there. Then we will start purifying. Before sleep, we will not scroll our mobile. Before sleep, we will not do 10,000 things and then go to sleep. While sleeping, we don't. Because now we are offering the sleep to Him. So eventually, our every action will get purified. The way we think also will get purified. Our liking will also change. Right? It won't be us anymore. That much, the change will happen, and we should experience that while we are living. Nothing is after that. Now. So even if I'm going to office, it's for Lord, this is my yajna I'm offering. It will change. And then people around us will also change. Because my taicha, my drishti, my vision to see them has changed. Yat karoshi yadashnasi, yat juhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpanam. Venkatesh, verse number 28. Shubha shubha phalairevam
शुभाशुभफलैरेवम्
mokshase karma bandhanaihi
मोक्ष्यसे कर्मबन्धनैः
sannyasa yoga yuktatma
संन्यासयोगयुक्तात्मा
vimukto mamupaishyasi.
विमुक्तो मामुपैष्यसि शुभाशुभफलैरेवम् मोक्ष्यसे कर्मबन्धनैः संन्यासयोगयुक्तात्मा विमुक्तो मामुपैष्यसि.
Very good. So, first let us do the padacheda. Shubha shubha phalairevam. What happens over there?
शुभाशुभफलै
Shubha shubha phalaihi. So that tritiya bahuvachan is for shubha and ashubha both together. Shubha shubha phalaihi. So tritiya bahuvachan and then plus evam.
एवं
So visarga repha has happened. Shubha shubha phalaihi plus evam. Shubha and ashubha we are not changing because phalaihi is for both shubha phala and ashubha phala. Mokshase, you will get it. Karma bandhanaihi. Tritiya bahuvachan. Sannyasa yoga yuktatma is one word. Samasa it is. Vimukto, vimuktaha, visarga sandhi. Mam upaishyasi, mam and plus upaishyasi, it's simply joined to mam, who has gone and joined. That's all. There is no sandhi over there. Padacheda is over. Pada artha. Shubha shubha phalaihi. Shubha and ashubha phala. How, when we do the actions and I take the kartrutva of the action, phala is going to come to me. Am I audible? I saw one internet connection instability in message.
Yes, we could not hear you anything, madam. After sannyasa yoga yuktatma, it is one samasa you said. After that, we
You have
lost
not
you,
heard?
madam.
Oh, then
Yes.
I've said everything and I started telling the meaning. So vimukto, that is visarga sandhi vimuktaha, mam plus upaishyasi, no sandhi over there, who has just gone and joined mam, halantama. Then meaning padartha, let us see now. Shubha shubha
Meaning of
phalaihi.
upaishyasi. Meaning of upaishyasi.
We are coming to that. We are starting with shubha shubha first. We just finished the padartha, padacheda we are doing now. Shubha shubha phalaihi, Tritiya Bahuvachan. Shubha phala, ashubha phala. Shubha shubha phalaihi, the good and the bad fruits, mokshyase, future tense. You will get free. Because your kartrutva bhav is not there, you have offered it to me. That means that doership is gone. When you have not done your actions as your aham bhav active and you have offered it to me, that means your binding to the fruit of that action is not there. So you are now not bound to your karmas. Karma bandhana, you are free from that. So whatever action you do and you acquire shubha or ashubha phala, from those actions, you will get free. By what? By offering it to me. And who? Sannyasa yoga yukta. Sannyasa means who has renunciated everything. Yukta is who is steadfast. So who is in that yoga state? Who has samyak nyasa. There is no I want. He has released his aham bhava. There is no I plus I want. It's not there anymore. Such a person becomes vimuktaha. He becomes free. And then, mam, to me, upaishyasi, future, you will come to me, reach me. Upayanti, upayati, reach me. That means what? Why I am not reaching Lord? Because now I am making myself only happy. I want this, I want that. Fine, doesn't matter, you enjoy. I have not offered to Lord anything. I have been offering to myself for you everything. But now if I have offered everything to Lord, my aham bhav is gone, then where the phala's action will go? If I am not the doer of my action, then I am free. But when I am doer of my action, then I need to take my birth to experience the shubha or ashubha phala of my action. I am bound by the karma. Today I am in this Varsha body. I have done some actions which I have only ordered it in some whatever lifetimes. Each one of us have got these bodies to these particular parents in this particular place and in this shape and form and this mental texture we have ordered it before. It is not just like that. God has given somebody some random families, random look, random intelligence. It's not random. We have ordered. So when my actions, when I'm not claiming the doership, where the phala will go? That means karma bandha mukta. You are not bound to the karmas, the actions you are doing. And when like this we keep on doing yat karoshi, yat dashnasi, tat kurushvama darpana, when we are in this bhava, with patram pushpam phalam toyam. Bhaktya we are doing. Then what will happen? Eventually, mam upaishyasi, you will reach me. This is what Lord is saying. This is Lord's words. You will reach me. When Lord is saying it in you, it is you. You means we, us, I, me. So we are Arjunas. So Lord is telling to us, mam upaishyasi, you will reach me. What more you want? Just give me a minute. There is somebody at the dinner mat. Sorry. Completed this? Yes. शुभाशुभफलैरेवं मोक्षसे कर्मबन्धनैः सन्न्यासयोगयुक्तात्मा विमुक्तो मामुपैष्यसि. Number 29. Samoham sarvabhuteshu.
Is it me?
No, Bodhaji.
I didn't hear the name.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Samoham sarvabhuteshu.
Samoham sarvabhuteshu
Na me dveshyosti na priyaha.
na me dveshyosti na priyaha
Ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya.
ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya
Maite teshu chapyaham.
mayi te teshu chapyaham samoham sarvabhuteshu na me dveshyosti na priyaha ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya mayi te teshu chapyaham.
Let's do the Padacheda. Do it. Please, only for chanting you kept your camera on. And then again you disappeared. Please keep your camera on and do the Padacheda. Till then she was off camera. When her turn came, she on, then she went. Please keep your camera on and do the Padacheda. You are on mute.
Yeah, there was a noise behind, so I had to switch off it. Samoham, samaha aham,
Hmm.
sarva bhuteshu.
So what Sandhi? What Sandhi Samoham?
Sarvaha, this is Visarga Sandhi. अवग्रह
Purvaru.
पूर्वरूप न मे द्वेष्यः अस्ति again the same thing न प्रियः ये भजन्ति तु मां
Purvaru.
yeah it's not there मयि ते तेषु च अपि अहम् so the one is dirgha sandhi other is guna sandhi cha
No.
api
Which is Guna Sandhi.
api
Yans,
plus aham
not good.
yana
Yan.
is
Yan.
yans yeah
Okay. Sama aham sarva bhuteshu aham. Lord is saying. Okay. Sarva bhuteshu, towards all. Samaha. I am same. Name veshaha asti. No priyaha. This I don't like and this I like. This is my favorite. That is my. I don't have that any favoritism, likes or dislikes. Everything and everybody is same for me. Ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya. Ye who mam to me bhaktya with bhakti bhajanti worships me. Maite teshu chapyaham. Maite. In me they are and I am in them. See, we think, no, then this is favorite, that is favorite, especially kids. The best example is kids. Always kids feel that she is your favorite, he is your favorite, I am not. We'll have to monitor our parents will not have favoritism. The action of the child has bonded to parent in such a way. Some child will see, oh, did you drink water? Did you eat? Oh, you've not had, then I will also not have. The child might not ask. The one who is asking, there the bond is more, but it's not that the other person is hated. We have our own experience. Now, one particular grandchild will be coming to us for something. Then we ask and talk more about that grandchild. The one who seeks our attention, attention is given over there. When we are doing it, at Lord's level, he has got how many children? In billions. Only human beings? No, other things are also there. So how can he be partial? So it is not he. It is that child who is doing that to the parent, is going towards the parent, is reaching the parent. It is that bhakta who is with bhakti trying to reach the Lord, is reaching the Lord. Lord is not pulling him more closer. The bhakta is pulling himself towards the Lord. It is the relation that that individual has developed to the Lord. Lord is there. Sun is shining. On the dirty water also, fresh water also. If you have not kept your clothes out to dry because it's raining, that cloth is not getting a sun. You leave it. If the sun is there, it will shine on it as well. You reach the Lord will shine on you as well. But the problem is we don't reach the Lord with the same bhakti. 6 cameras are on over here. 6 of us have 6 different kind of bhakti. I don't know how many of you feed the Lord. Do Naivedyam to the Lord. Then only eat. If I have not offered you, I will not eat. There are people who do that. Anything, everything first offered to the Lord. My sister has a relative in her in-law side. They go to any trip, they carry the Lord with them. They went to the beach, they carried the Lord over there to the beach, and they made the Lord with them play in the water also. That lady's bhav is like that. She carries her Lord with her. Anywhere they go, they carry their Lord. Whatever fun they do, they bring their Lord over there. Some people are there. So I know this personally. So I just gave this example. But that is the relationship, no? So it is not Lord is making like and dislike. It is my approach to the Lord which is making me closer or away from the Lord. Lord is there. Whether I have made my way toward Him, it's my choice. If I have not made, then tomorrow if somebody is getting benefited, not to say, oh, very lucky, Lord is the, make your way, you will also be very lucky. No sitting and complaining. So there is no, there is no simple luck showering just like that. One has to work towards to make the luck shine, to make the own destiny. It is in individual's hand. It is not Lord's favor. Then Lord, you reach the Lord, you are in Lord's vicinity, that He will become the Lord again. Sounds very practically, easy and nice, but when we actually begin to do, our aham bhav pops in. My comfort, my force. So as long as we have a strong aham bhav to experience this is going to be difficult. That's why one has to walk with Varkaris when they walk from Alandi to Pandharpur and Pune. It's such simplicity they are, my God. Their bhav, that simplicity. The only Lord. And Lord waits over there. Pandharpur Lord, he stands on a brick, right? Why? Anybody knows that? One, he was feeding his parents, right?
Yeah, right.
Then Lord comes to his turn. But now he's feeding his old parents.
तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप पत्थर पे बैठो जब तक मैं अपने माता पिता
He
को
just-
फीड नहीं कर सकता.
He just pushes the one brick which was lying over there, he pushes over there. You just wait, I'll finish feeding my parents and I'll attack. So Lord is standing with a hand on his waist, waiting for the bhakta. He's there in Pandharpur. There it is. Samoham sarvabhuteshu न मे द्वेषोऽस्ति न प्रियः ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या मयि ते तेषु चाप्यहम्. Number 30. अपि Radhakrishnan ji. अपि चेत् सुदुराचारः
अभिचेत् सुदुराचारः
भजते मामनन्यभाक्
भजते मामनन्यभाक्
साधुरेव समन्तव्यः.
साधुरेव समन्तव्यः
सम्यग् व्यवसितो हि सः.
सम्यग् व्यवसितो हि सः अभिचेत् सुदुराचारः भजते मामनन्यभाक् साधुरेव समन्तव्यः सम्यक् व्यवसितो हि सः. अपि as it is चेत् suduracharo sacharaha becomes so the visarga
Yes.
santi bhajate mamananya bhak ananya bhak. There's also say mam ananya bhak, yeah, it's one word, mam ananya bhak.
Mam, the Ananya Bhak.
Mam ananya bhak, yeah. Sadhu reva, so it's sadhu plus eva, so it's a reva santi.
Yes.
Samantavyaha samyak vyavasitaha. So samyak.
Saha Visarga's Lopa has happened.
Oh yeah, visargalova has happened. Yeah, mantavyaha. Then samyak vyavasito, samyak vyavasitaha, samyak. So it's a So ka is replaced by ga. So it's Jastvasanti. Yeah, Jastvasanti. Vasito is Visarga Santi. He, Saha it is. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now see the artha. So beautiful. See, Chet, in case, Sudurachara, Durachar, not good. All acharas are bad. Durachara. Sudurachara, very bad. Even if. But, Mom, to me, Ananya Bhak, without attention giving anywhere, bhajate. Means who meditates on me with unflinching attention, that person, sadhuhu eva saha mantavyaha. We must take him as a good person only. Because samyak vyavasita hi sa. Because he has resolved his all bad deeds into me. So he is no more a sinner, he is a good person. Whose name comes in the mind?
Valmiki.
Exactly. What all is being done, once Lord's name is chanted, everything is purified. So what time are we waiting for? I hope our japas are going on. We have to just do one mala. Om Namo Narayana. If we are doing his job, we would also become pure. More than half of life is gone. These days, nobody lives 100 years. At least 50 years we are. More than that is gone. So even if now we start taking sadhu eva mantavya and samyak vyavasita, everything will get resolved. Because now, Mam Ananya Bhag Bhajate. We have come, we have turned towards Lord with unflinching attention going anywhere. Bhakti is not this side, that side. Ananya Bhag, one-pointed attention, devotion. When we worship, we purify us. Api chet suduracharah bhajate mamananya bhag sadhureva samantavyah samyak vyavasito hi saha. I think we should pause over here. Next 4 verses we will see in the next session. If time is there, we will get into the 10th chapter next week itself. But otherwise, we'll keep the 4 verses for next week. And Arunji will probably be there. I'm not sure why he didn't join. Okay, so let's conclude today's session. Beautiful verses. We are getting on to the peak of Rajavidya, Rajaguhya. Lord has told in his words to Arjuna. It's Lord's assurance. So nothing bigger assurance is needed in life when it's his words. It's not interpreted. Somebody said that Lord said like this. No. It is Lord is directly talking. It is Lord's sound. There won't be any bigger assurance than this. Let's dwell on this for a week, and whole week we have this one homework to do. From now on, whatever action we do, switching on our laptop after the class, switching off, getting into everything, one button pressed, anything, it's for the Lord. This action is for the Lord. Everything, every action, let's bring in Lord. We practice this for 1 week and we meet next Wednesday again. And we share what we did, what we felt, what changed in us in 1 week's time. Let's conclude this session. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
Thank you.
धन्यवादः।
हरि ओम गुरु
Hari
जी।
Om.
हरि ओम। Thank you,
हरि
जी।
ओम वर्षा जी।
Thank you. Thank you.
वर्षा जी।
Thank you.